Christiaan Huygens, A Brief Biography. Early Life and Education. Christiaan Huygens was born on April 14, 1629, in The Hague, Netherlands. He was the son of Constantijn Huygens, a prominent diplomat, poet, and musician, and Susanna van Baerle. Growing up in an intellectually stimulating environment, Christiaan was exposed to various fields of knowledge from a young age. He was educated at home and later attended the University of Leiden, where he studied law and mathematics, and later studied at the College of Breda. Contributions to science. Huygens was a leading figure in the scientific revolution of the 17th century, contributing significantly to the fields of mathematics, physics, and astronomy. His most notable achievements include wave theory of light. Huygens is best known for his wave theory of light, which he proposed in 1678. This theory contradicted the particle theory of light advocated by Isaac Newton and laid the groundwork for modern optics. Invention of the pendulum clock. In 1656, he invented the pendulum clock, which greatly improved the accuracy of timekeeping. This invention was a crucial development in the precise measurement of time. Saturn's rings and moons. Huygens made significant astronomical discoveries using telescopes he designed. In 1655, he discovered Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and later proposed that Saturn was surrounded by a ring, explaining the planet's changing appearance. Huygens-Fresnel principle. He introduced the Huygens-Fresnel principle, which describes how wave fronts propagate, furthering the understanding of wave behavior. Later years and legacy. Huygens spent much of his career in Paris, where he was a member of the French Academy of Sciences. He published several influential works, including Horologium Oscillatorium, 1673, which detailed his work on pendulum motion and timekeeping, and Traité de la Lumière, 1690, which outlined his wave theory of light. Christiaan Huygens passed away on July 8, 1695, in The Hague. His work had a profound impact on the scientific community, influencing future scientists like Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein. Today, he's remembered as one of the great scientific minds of the 17th century, whose theories and inventions continue to shape modern science.